So this morning we want to bring in meteorologist Grant Gilmore. Grant, you've been tracking these storms. A busy guy this hurricane season from start to finish.
It was an odd season. We had a lull in the middle of it and then really smacked us on the chin as we got into September. But when you take a look at how the season started, we were looking at what was projected to be a very active hurricane season. The numbers came down actually near normal. We had 14 named storms, 8 hurricanes, and 2 major hurricanes, while Colorado State University and NOAA going into the season were forecasting near or slightly above numbers for the season. But it may have seemed that it was kind of a quiet season coming off of the last couple of years when we had incredible amount of activity. 2020, we had 30 named storms. That was the highest ever recorded. Just last year, we had 21 named storms, and then our 14 named storms this year. Now, again, this is actually very close to the average for 1991 to 2020 with 14 named storms. Now, the normal is 7 hurricanes. We had 8. And actually, in terms of major hurricanes, the normal is 3 major hurricanes, and we had 2 major hurricanes this past year. Now, a couple of oddities with this past hurricane season. It was the first season since 2014 with no preseason development. It was also only the 5th time with no activity in the month of August. That was our lull. Then all of a sudden September arrived, and we know Ian arrived as well. November was also the 4th on record with 3 hurricanes. These were all of the named storms and a couple of tropical depressions that we had across the Atlantic, obviously with the X marking the spot for the Florida Peninsula. It was actually the first time that a hurricane hit the Florida Peninsula since Irma did in 2017, in Ian's path and Nicole's path, crisscrossing the state of Florida. A couple of other notes there about November. It was actually the 3rd time that, only the 3rd time that Florida was hit by a hurricane in the month of November. And here we are wrapping up hurricane season, the last day today. But we're already looking ahead to next hurricane season. Hurricane season officially starts, guys, on June 1st.